From Atera, the science of calm, the hidden power of human touch. We think our bodies wait for us to tell them what to do, but sometimes they remember what the mind has forgotten. A city square, ordinary people, ordinary moments, and everywhere you look, the same ancient instinct quietly appears. Everyone here is searching for the same thing, even if they don't know that's what they're doing. A little comfort, and they're finding it in their own touch. Some lives are built from decisions, one after another, calls, deadlines, expectations, until the mind forgets how to rest. The pressure gathers quietly, right behind his eyes, and without noticing, a hand drifts up and cups his own cheek. Your face is one of the richest landscapes of touch in the entire body. Thousands of nerve endings constantly ask one question: am I safe? A warm hand on the cheek answers before words ever can. The brain quiets, and the storm begins to settle. A memory passes by. So does a version of herself she'll never meet again. Some kinds of grief aren't about death, they're about time. Her hand settles over her own heart. Beneath her hand, her own heartbeat answers back. Gentle pressure over the chest encourages the release of oxytocin, one of the molecules our bodies use to create closeness, sometimes with another person, sometimes with ourselves. The ache begins to soften. She's ending it, right here, in person. He sits there, taking it in. His arms fold across his body, and he strokes one arm, slowly, over and over. Your skin has special fibers that respond only to slow, gentle touch. When they awaken, they send a signal deep into the brain, telling the nervous system it is safe. Stress begins to ease, almost as if another human were holding him. Except this time, his own body became the one offering comfort. Minutes before a job interview, he waits on a bench, going over it all in his head. You know the feeling, the nerves gathering into a knot, right in the stomach. His hand comes to rest, open, over his belly. That knot isn't imaginary, it's biology. The gut and the brain are connected through the vagus nerve, a two-way conversation. A warm hand, moving with a slower breath, sends a different message back to the brain. We're all right. The nervous system loosens its grip, and the knot begins to let go. 4 different lives, 4 different stories, the same ancient language. Nobody taught them, no one had to. The body learned this long before language ever existed. The beautiful part is, your body doesn't wait for crisis to remember. You can choose it, on purpose. Come inside for a moment. Bring your fingers to your ears. The vagus nerve is one of the great communication highways inside you. It carries conversations between your brain, your heart, your lungs, and your gut. In one tiny place, it comes close enough for your fingers to find it. Rub it slowly, small circles. As you do, your heartbeat eases, your breathing slows, and your body begins to shift back toward rest. Now, place one hand on the opposite arm, stroke downward, slower than feels natural. Your skin has a favorite speed, about 3 centimeters every second. That's the rhythm these fibers evolved to recognize as affection. The same rhythm the body has trusted since the beginning. And when you need to feel held, cross your arms over your chest, tap gently, left, right, left. The movement is simple, But to a frightened nervous system, it feels like rhythm, and rhythm has always meant safety. It was first used in Mexico after a devastating hurricane, helping people whose worlds had just been turned upside down. A simple gesture telling the nervous system the storm has passed. You're here now. Of course, nothing replaces another human being, a hand reaching for yours, a familiar voice, someone who stays. But until they arrive, your own body has never stopped caring for you. Your hands have always known the way home. You were born carrying this comfort with you.